Okay, I got a lot of stuff I gotta write down for list. Okay, so that's not to do for today. To do for today is instead the banner, because that's an easy one to fix. I'm good. Feeling a little slow. I got a little lazy. Probably because I pumped myself full of mac and cheese. But I'm doing good. Yeah, most days are pretty much the same. Yeah, I don't have any like weird food-related headache or anything either, so I'm doing good. I'm just straight up doing good. Like mac and cheese is good. Well, and I make the mac and cheese. I don't do like the out-of-box mac and cheese or anything. Just because it's like I always have like a little bit of milk to use up, and I have like a bag of cheese, and I'm like, well, shoot, that's great for making mac and cheese. Get some noodles and stuff because I love noodles. That's one of those things I should probably cut out is more carbs, and then also sugar, and then eat nothing but leafy greens, and that's it. Become a tortoise. Then tutorial, and then exit signs. Whoops. And then AI. Or yeah, the guard AI. Well, guard vision cone is really what I was going to attempt. Yeah, I don't have like a... As much as I've made mac and cheese, I don't think I have like a favorite recipe for mac and cheese. Although I do throw some like buffalo sauce or some barbecue sauce on it sometimes. Yeah, I don't do like the cheesiest of mac and cheese either. It's just some amount of cheese. And then because it's pasta, I just eat way too much of it, despite the fact that it should be a very heavy meal, so... Favorite recipe is noodles and cheese? As in just slapping some cheese on some noodles? Because I've definitely done that as a meal. That was a meal I did as a kid a lot. It's just like, I have noodles. Sprinkle some cheese on it, throw it in the microwave, call it food. Noodles and macaroni. Don't I spell it? Yeah. I was like, it's not two R's. I think it's two C's, maybe? Okay, first thing was the banner, because that's an easy fix. So let's paint 3D, because I'm a caveman who bangs rocks together. And then... Can I just grab the image and slap it in here, or do I have to import it? Oh wait, is that icon in Unity? Because I don't think I have an icon. Oh, there's no double letters? Okay. I did not have this icon there. Okay, because then I can also do the... Oh, it's less necessary because of the fact that I have a web build. But I'm going to do it anyway. It's a default icon. Okay, so I do have to change it into a sprite. That's what you're telling me. It's not a pixel art thing, though. Okay, potion icon, something like that, like small potion icon or something like. There we go. Okay, so then also it needs a splash image or a logo or something, right? Yeah, there we go. What the heck? That's what it was. It wasn't doing the... Is it a size issue? This one. I want this one, Ryan S. Peterson Games. I've used it before is the confusing thing. Okay, was this the... That's the still image too, right? Still. That's the still image. Because I don't think it even let me do the other one, did it? So do like the animated one? What happens if I do that? And then I try to select it. Okay, what are these? Default. Oh, I'm just dumb. Okay, so become a sprite. But also, curious if I make this one a sprite. Aha. So does it animate or no? I feel like I've used the animated one before. But maybe not. I don't know. Okay, well, I'll have to keep an eye out. Then the other thing was... Oh, let's see. What was I doing today? Yeah, my... Instead of doing breakfast, I just post on social media with the latest updates. Yeah, my TikTok's back to just being the regular, like, couple hundred views on a TikTok. And then that one TikTok that popped off still gets views and comments, much to my annoyance. Okay. The banner, which was videos. Let's see. And then for lunch, I read some more tentative Wildfell Hall, which continues to be slow. Still kind of like meh on that one. And then I did... okay, so it's this blue one, I think. It's not really going to matter because I'm going to cut off the top and bottom. Yeah, so this is kind of massive. So, there is no denying that. It's not looping, is it? No, it's not. Okay. Okay, and then... do 16:9? That's what it's at. No, all of these cut in from the sides. I want it cut down from the top. Okay, so how about 540? Oh my goodness, no. Oh, it locks the aspect ratio. Custom. 1080. Dadgummit. Height being 540. And then this being 1920. There we go. That's what I was thinking. And then save as image. This is imbibe title. Imbibe banner. Okay, so then I don't really need that for anything else. Nope, not this. I wanted the... Nope, good guess, but not this. I wanted edit theme, right? There we go. That's what I thought I was clicking on, though. Okay, so that's not even doing anything. And then remove it. Slap in the new one. There we go. So now it's not nearly as ridiculous. Okay. Then I'm gonna need... So just out of curiosity, exit signs. Signage. Sure. Why not? Okay, so... because the door that I'm using is kind of tiny. So, well, let's see. So it's probably a 16 that I want it. So give me a new one. And then do 16, 1, 16. Aha. I don't have an exit sign. Do I? Okay, so it seems to be kind of a toss-up whether it's green or red. And they also have a guy running out of a door, which I think that is kind of more what I would want to do. Because I kind of want to cut down on the text if I can. I think I'm still going to need some text for the tooltip stuff, but I want to cut down on the text if I can. Color picker. There we go, white. And then attach. Sure. And then we do a nice green. Probably pull it off of here. Oh, it's copying it to the clipboard already. Yeah, I don't think I'm nearly as awake as I thought. I think it's probably the macaroni. Didn't do great for me. Good stuff though, but I don't think it woke me up. So now can I make a little person running for the door? Oh, they had it arm down. We'll try to keep it true to the thing. I don't know why. Okay, if I grab that, do that, and then grab this and do this. Oh, let's select it and then move it. Okay, I wanted to not move everything. The whole point was that I wanted to separate the person. It's because it's white on white. Okay, there. Does that look like a little person running for the exit? Maybe? It's like if I could get a little head on the guy. No. Okay, what if I move it down and then put a little head on the guy? On the person? And it doesn't get rid of the selection. That's always the weird thing to me. I could make this a little taller and wider. That's the thing. It's like if I grab this and then, oops, then move it up just a smidge and then fill this with the green just to see if it's gonna do the thing. Actually, like maybe I could just move a little bit and have it not look like... Oh wait, I was supposed to be yapping about a thing. I read a book for lunch like I do every day. And then oh wait, I think I actually went and walking this morning. Which... It's just because I want to get back into running and I want to get back into being healthier. And then I start to feel just a little twinge of discomfort in my side. And I'm like, yes, I know the kidney stone's there, but is it getting worse or not? That is the question. And I feel like running it just scares me. That's what sucks. And I don't think it'll ever go away. I think it will always scare me now. Going for a run is always going to be, well, am I making some massive calcium deposit in my kidney? Okay, there. Little guy running. Okay, exit sign. Hopefully. Kinda, sorta, maybe. Head's a little odd. No. No spaces. Okay, really I was thinking I was just gonna put a light in a cloud. Yeah, just do a light. It says go. Based on the lighting, that would say, okay, there's a door here, go this way, but seeing how little time it took me to just kind of slap together an exit sign. It's kind of funny that I hit the moment of like, I think I know what I want to do for YouTube content. Like, I want to get back into doing YouTube content, and I think I know what I can do that feels uniquely me. That feels uniquely... That's not a great... It feels uniquely me, and it's also, you know, like, innovative and unseen. And yet, I went and did a game jam. But the whole thing was making different kinds of generating thing, like... So if I use it as, like, just a procedural generation thing, then... So, funny enough, I think I'm gonna just slap the sign under the door. Because that's really what it's gonna be, is it's just gonna be attached to this, the door. Excuse me, why is the box collider off by that much? Okay, and now the exit sign. Aha. Okay, I think I want it fairly high. Simply because of the fact that... Does this show in relation to a door? I think it's typically right above a door. Unfortunately. Oh, because the ceiling's right above a door. It doesn't tend to be way above a door. Well, and it might also be a matter of just if I put a light on the... Maybe not this exactly, but... Well, we'll start with that. Light. Just a light. What? Huh? A light rendering? Point. Okay, so it defaults to point. Okay, and actually I want it to be the same green. Is it still on my clipboard? Hell yeah. So that'll be the same green as the... Okay, so hopefully an oddly colored light will draw the eye a little bit to say maybe there's something over here to go to. Is the goal there. Okay, and I fixed the banner. I need to do a tutorial. I'm working on the exit signs. Man, I do want to get back into playing a game, but I do want to finish this jam. 2 weeks is a lot. I mean, I pushed myself a little bit yesterday to, like, kind of get something up on the webpage, rather. And, I mean, this will give me a real chance to make a good... Okay, cool. That entirely... Wow, that really draws the eye. So if you can get up on some boxes... It really does draw the eye. Wow, that looks great. I'm surprised it came out as good as it did. Okay, so this obviously is putting this in modern times. That was kind of the question, is, was this going to be more medieval or not? And if I'm doing the modern exit signs, it's definitely modern. Why does it have this odd, like, because I can't push it. I can push it. What the heck? I could have sworn I upped the weight on those to be not pushable. Man, and it sucks that this feels so good in the dev build. And, oh, the thing I need. Ta-da! Okay. So hopefully having an exit sign. And I think the explicit, like... Okay, so exit signs, the tutorial. Don't know exactly what I want to do for a tutorial. And like, I kind of want to do the list of controls like I already have on the page. But seeing how I already had a friend who said I couldn't figure out entirely how to play, that also indicates to me that nobody reads the thing. They just click on the... Yeah. Not sure what the objective and controls are. Which, again, it's on the page, but... I suppose it's like YouTube videos nowadays. You don't get a thumbnail and, whatchamacallit. You don't get a title and thumbnail. It just randomly scrolls to the next short in the feed. It just randomly auto-plays the next video, so you need, in the first 3 seconds, what the heck you're doing. So, I need to get Mr. Beast shouting. We're gonna blow up an island! Okay, and I'm not gonna do a controls button, because that's just boring. So start, meaning I'll probably just do a pop-up of the controls. Meaning, why am I on the main menu? So now I'll do a nice UI. It's just give me the results. Just gonna copy that. Okay, and this is controls. Well, this is tutorial. I mean, it's one of those, like, I might just do something kind of clunky to just have something working. Okay, so I don't actually need all of this stuff. Even this. So all y'all can go away. The results text is the title, which is going to say controls, or tutorial rather. I mean, it's clunky, but okay, so tutorial. Well, because it's the thing, is that this is mostly arcade-like. What did Mussolina do? Did Mussolina have like a... Oh, it had an area that you could play around with the controls. I want this to be a... Well, it's if the guard is coming after you immediately, then... I don't know, I don't really want like a controls or tutorial button. Yeah, it's because I could have it. Well, that's the thing too, is that this is not a structured like go here, do this, go here, do this, go here, do this. This is just a find the thing and escape. So. So this is just tutorial. Whatever. I just need something. So tutorial text, and then here, or rather, I don't really need it that big or that. So I believe it's 36. Yeah. To half the size. Probably do left justified. And a lot less width. And then slap it in the middle. And slap it in the middle. And say, this is the description. Okay, with a goal, which is find philosophers, or maybe pick up the philosopher's stone and escape. And then the controls, I can just copy out the itch.io page. Well, like I said, I kind of wanted to have just a little bit of flavor, but I don't have that, and I'm not gonna have it for now. Sure, why not, I guess. Why did it add so many enters? Like, I know there's just a few on the page, but I really didn't need it all of there. Okay. So I lied. Maybe put it up at the top instead. 12? There we go. Okay, but I don't really want to explain all the potions. Oh, and then it would be E to pick up. Well, I'll update this as I add more stuff to it. And then I need an X button in the corner, X button in the corner, X button in the corner. Which I believe I have the image for it. Okay. Slap that up over there. Like I don't care. Even though I do. Okay, the width is gonna be 30, or probably a lot bigger than that. Just give me like a 50 or a 60. Yeah, there we go. A lot bigger. And then 30? Nope. Negatory and probably negative 30 here. Aha, okay. Does not need the text. And then you are going to be that. Re-hee-hee-hee. Probably still bigger then. Because that looks pretty tiny. I mean, that's okay. But go big or go home. I'm already home, so I guess I gotta go big. There's some classic Sad World. That's kind of almost too big. Okay, and then the button for the... You're supposed to be on the tutorial. This is the close button. And then that is supposed to take the tutorial and close it. Set active to false. Okay, so now I would most definitely need to have some kind of... Yeah, the cards are not supposed to be that close, you dumb. So, can I also... I could pause the game at the start. And then when you close the tutorial, it restarts the game. Or it actually, like, starts up the game. Okay. Well, Stream Avatar says somebody's lurking. And if you want to play the game, I have a link. It's clunky as heck, but it's playable. So... problem with pausing it is that I gotta go figure out how to attach it to something else, which is probably gonna be this. Yeah, it's weird and clunky and dumb and bad, but we're gonna just do it anyway. So public, excuse me, void close tutorial. And then that will be timescale. Set it back to 1, and then at the start here, it'll be set to 0. So it'll start paused. You hit the close tutorial, and then it actually starts the game. So then you have a moment to figure out what's going on. Okay, I kind of want to do an image of the Philosopher's Stone there too. Okay, so let's see if... Wait. Let's do this. Yeah, I think I was good up until I had too much pasta for dinner. Now I'm like, meh. Not feeling great. I just wish healthy food was a little more interesting to eat on a regular basis. Because it's interesting to eat. It's just not interesting to eat on a regular basis. Okay. Oh, dadgummit. Oh, the flippin'... Okay, so transition panel. Because that has the start coroutine. Set trigger, yield return, wait for seconds, and then load the scene. Man. Maybe I won't worry too much about it. No, it's simply because of the fact that I was dropped immediately on top of a guard. Yeah, okay, it's because you can clearly just play the game. Yeah, and then the guard runs into you. Okay, so... And I can't start it paused, though, because the... I want to pause the game, though. Okay, and it should be cursor, lock state, none. Ugh, dadgummit. Okay. Because now I need it when it closes to put the cursor mode back to locked. There we go. I feel like I should do a space bar to close the tutorial as well. But whatever. That's the other thing too, is that it's going to just immediately... What? Dadgummit, I just wanted to dump into the game. But I also need to have some kind of tutorial, because people were most definitely getting confused. Yeah, because now you're going to hit left click to close it, and then that's also going to run the game in the background. And then I could say, I could just have a control button, or tutorial button. I mean, the game isn't super intuitive. I mean, but the guards should get you. Well, hopefully just having an exit might help too. It just seems clunky to have just a button that is tutorial. But that might not be a bad idea. There's not a lot of huge steps here. And I want it to just dump into the game without any issues. So I could either do this, or I could do a control. Well, but then I gotta add an animation on the main menu for a control button. Man, at least the people on YouTube said this is really cool. I tried to send this to friends and stuff on Discord, and the response was just shrug again. I mean, I don't know. I'll leave the tutorial stuff for later. Just screw it. Hopefully with having a bigger exit sign, that'll help. Yeah, okay, so I think I got feedback that from a couple people that it's Okay, but that's still finding the exit at least. Okay. Okay, so that is definitely something I need to make sure. Okay, so the potion. That's models. It's the prefab for the potion. Here. So it's the... Oh, explosion. The explosion type, rather. There, Aether. That's freeze all, yeah. And then is trigger is true. Oh, I did freeze all because... Okay. So that's if it's not the ground. How about and not the player? Yeah, I do want you to be able to turn yourself into a ghost, so you can ghost through objects, but you need to be able to move, and I'm freezing all the room. Although the guards are running around, though. Get back. Oh, get back! Dang it. You guys aren't supposed to... I put a whole system in there to spawn the guards away from the player. You dumb butt. Okay. So now, we do this. And that. And this. Oops, that's the one I wanted. This. That. And this. And that. Okay, that. Ah, stupid guard. Get out of here. So let me throw it at the ground. Get out of here. I feel like that should be hitting the player there too. Ah, shoot. That's the one I wanted. Okay, there. Ghost. Okay, ghost's the potion, but I think that still makes it so that... Yeah, that's funny. Okay, and you still animate, though, is the interesting thing. Okay, so that prevents the character from becoming a ghost that way. Okay. Yeah, and it has already been an hour. It's like, gee whiz. It's already 7 o'clock. Okay, that was... Oh, bugs was the... player locks when becoming a ghost. Okay, I know Sad World. It sucks because I'm like, I like Sad World, but I'm like, no, I know Sad World. Give me his new project, since I don't know it as well. Okay, I'm skipping tutorial stuff for now. Well, meaning it still needs to be done, but okay. I wanted to do the guard state machine stuff and all that. Because I don't have any of that. It's a public enum states. And then this will be patrolling, searching, and then chasing. Okay, and then to a switch of dadgummit mother flippin' heck. That's not what I want. That's just awful. Okay, so just nope. God balls asterisk motherfucker. Fudge. Okay, switch. I don't have the variable yet, but that's what I wanted. There we go. Okay, so it's states. States. So now switch the state. And that's case of states searching. Break. Why did I do searching first? Okay, patrolling is what I want first. Patrolling, searching, chasing. And then here, chasing is that. And then we're gonna do a run speed there too. Okay, then this will be walk speed. And I want a vector 3 that is like the last scene point. And then for searching, set the destination to the last scene point plus random dot inside unit sphere. And multiply by search range. We'll give it a search range. Everything would work great if it would just... Oops. Okay. So now I gotta figure out the last scene point, and then here is also go to next point. And go to next point sets the target point to that. And that's if this would flippin' work. Oops. Nope. Nope, nope, stop. Nope, stop. What did you just do? Unpin. Unpin. There we go. I clicked off accidentally, you goof. Okay. I just wanted to get rid of this. There we go. So if it's patrolling, it sets its walk speed, it sets the... Oh, and this will be after a certain point. Well, it needs to get out of searching at a certain point. Okay, so how about search time? That might just be an int. Can I do that? I can. Okay, and then here, search time, plus plus, and then if search time is greater than, I guess elapsed search time. Okay, this is search time. Now this is elapsed search time. So now this is elapsed search time. And then if elapsed search time is greater than the search time, then it goes back to patrolling. So state equals states dot patrolling. Why do you want to add a break there? Okay, so then after a certain amount of time, it'll go back to patrolling. Okay, and then this is also where it's going to need to do. Maybe this then? Why is it in fixed update? Maybe... Okay, just... Well... Kinda get rid of... So that'll go to the next point, which will update the target point. And then it'll say specifically the target point here. Okay, and then it's gonna start in, I don't know if I have to explicitly say it, but I'm going to. It should be patrolling at the start. And there's nothing knocking it into the other ones. Searching goes back to patrolling, but patrolling does not get knocked into chasing. Well, that's what it'll be, is when the player is seen, then it'll go into chase mode until the player's not seen. Then that'll give it a last seen point, and then it'll go into searching. That was the other thing, is I was going to give the Philosopher's Stone a nice red glow to it. Yeah, okay, seeing how those exit signs really did a lot, surprisingly. Okay, so now let's see if the patrolling is working. Maybe. Let's see if it's a little less confused. Oh, I'm gonna sit. I got the tutorial kind of mostly going. I feel like that's supposed to be locking the... Oh, because the... Okay. I was gonna say, you're coming after me in a weird way. Passing by. Hello, hello. Goodbye, goodbye. Have fun. Yeah, last few streams have not been as interesting, but feel free to play the game. The game, it's on itch.io. You can go play it. Go play it. Tell me how bad it is. It's okay. But it's available. Go try it. Link on Discord. Link on places. Should be on Discord. Yeah, yeah. Go try it. Judge me. Judge me. the patrolling again. That's the bastard problem I was working on again. Did it have remaining distance? It seemed to be patrolling. So then if the agent remaining distance is less than that, go to the next point. And then that should mean the remaining distance changes, but let's see. I didn't even see it, but it seemed to be moving around. Oh, well, that's the Philosopher's Stone. So not a huge glow, but that definitely helps. The ground is still off. The ground is still weirdly off. You're just sad because... No, you can escape. Okay, so is the... Okay, but it's not doing any of that. Update. State patrolling. Meaning you're not patrolling? It's doing a debug log. State's patrolling. If search time is less than elapsed search time is 0. Meaning it should always be patrolling. It's not even in that, though. Let's say it's not 15 seconds. Oh, run speed. Let's do like 5. And then search range. 30, I guess? I don't know. Well, no, it needs to be a fairly small range. And then search time. That'd be 5 frames. And this is running at 30 frames a second, 60 frames a second. I don't actually know. Well, let's just do 300. Okay, well, seeing how I made it electric exit signs, I should definitely go for... Oh, I need to... What? How does the game look like it's running? That's wild. It looks like it's running, and I'm saying a debug log on update on the guard that is... Template character. Guard. Running right here. With a state of patrolling. How is it not hitting the debug log? I could have sworn I had the debug log going earlier. Okay. It's great that you guys are walking around a little bit, and then you stop and you get to wherever you were trying to go. And say nah. Okay, but not the prefab version here. Patrolling. You even have a player capsule and everything. How is that not popping up in the debug.log on the update? What? On the guard. What? The log seems to be called because they seem to be walking around. That's the only way that it's getting anywhere, right? Huh? How is it skipping a debug.log? Okay, so that guard is not going anywhere. That's crazy how much it improved the visibility of the exit. Okay, and that red light makes the Philosopher's Stone a lot easier to find, too. Okay, it spawns in a box sometimes. That's the issue. Okay, I got it. Why in the fluff are the guards not doing their debugs? Why are they doing nothing? I know why they're doing nothing, but why are they not? But then if I put this back on, I need to be able to debug. You dumb? Okay, if I just do a regular debug, not try to put anything in there. Debug.log. That's how you do a debug, right? It's on an update. It should just go. Okay, updating. We'll do one on start as well, just to make sure. Start. Do debug logs, please. I need help. Yeah, it's definitely a lie on those empty space. So can I not do debug? Oh, I just flip and turn this off. I'm just dumb. Okay. I am still curious about the state of the thing. Yeah, okay, because it's saying remaining distance is 0. Again. And then not going somewhere new. If it's 0, it should go to the next position. It should be more than 0. Because they're not the same positions. So state patrolling. Somebody's gone. Is it you guys? You have a coin on your head, you goof. There's a lot of you that just don't go back to going anywhere. Okay, the state for patrolling is correct. Okay, so that's fine. Remaining distance is 0. So if it's 0, that's less than 0.1. It goes to the next point. Go to next point does. Updates the target position. If it's greater than or equal to patrol route.count, it makes it 0. So now let's also do debug.log. Target point. Zero 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2. But how? Okay, so patrol routes target point then. Between the agent's position and the destination on the current path. The destination of the current path should be... Yeah, so as suspected, it's just flipping. It's saying, okay, because it's at 0 distance, it's just continually going through different points. But I figured this would update based on this here. Unless this is not what I want. Funny how a week is kind of like a lot for a game jam. And it's also apparently a lot for people watching a game jam. The interest is gone at this point. Completely gone at this point. At this point, you're making me say I'm not gonna do its remaining distance here. Because that just says 0. That just always says 0, despite the fact that it's... And the destination on the current path. But that's how you get it to move. Okay, how about Unity remaining distance? This does not seem to be doing what I think it should. Okay, no, that's just... Problem is that it's returning 0. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if we're just gonna say the transform dot position, I'm gonna just do the calculation myself because that does not seem to be working. Minus the destination. And then dot magnitude. There. That's the length of the vector. It's not going to be negative. I'll be kind of miffed if this works, because then I'm like, Unity should have just been doing the remaining distance. Okay, I think my fucking empty spaces are wrong. Okay, let's just back this up. He was having issues where it was just standing there looking into space when there was no boxes though, too. I need to make that green brighter. I didn't even see it. Why? Why do you do this? If it does in fact go to 0. If I could figure this out, it'd be huge. Yeah, you fuckers. Just give me one little fucker. I have to figure this out. Well, and this will be huge, though, because then that's all of the guard AI is just trying to figure out where it's going. I would assume that this... It's going to the next point, but that doesn't seem to be updating. But the distance between the agent's position and the destination on the current path. But it's also saying the target... This is updating. This number is updating. Will this cause it to just wait for a frame? Oh, and then it should be... Okay, and then if the remaining distance is not equal to 0, then reach destination is false. So now that'll force it to say, okay, once the destination has been changed, you have to do something about it. Okay, what is its current position? The remaining distance is 0. The target is that. And then its position... I'm gonna feel so incredibly stupid when I solve this. This doesn't feel like obvious dumb, though. There's a fair amount of them that are like, okay, obvious, duh. I forgot to update something. This feels like... its position is there. The target position is there. The remaining distance is 0. How did you come to that conclusion? What is this? Agent dot remaining distance, which is between the agent's position and the destination on the current path. Setting the destination to this and its position, the agent's position, and then this target, this destination. So the difference between these two numbers is always 0, despite the fact that how are you coming to that conclusion? This and this are not the same number, and yet it's 0. How? And then I tried to update it with my own version, and it still did not work. I am so very confused. The remaining distance. Set the destination to that target. And that's how it was walking around earlier when it goes and chases the player. Which this is fine. Is it the height? Is it because it's in the ground? But it says the remaining distance is 0. Target is 14. Yeah, it's way the heck up here. But that would mean that would mean it would be trying to run into the sky, except it's not. It's just giving up. Which is what I want to do. I want to give up. Oh yeah, you can play Overwatch through Steam, can't you? Wait, does that... Or... Seeing how my Blizzard launcher is not working. Does this connect to my Blizzard account though? Because my Blizzard account isn't working. Okay, so the target point is the patrol route that I'm setting up here. Selected empty space. So empty spaces. Okay, let's not do that. Empty spaces is a vector 3. Base crates. Empty spaces dot add a vector 2. It's a vector 3. Maybe like a 1? 0 is probably fine. Vector 3. Empty spaces is a vector 3. Yes, then selected empty space dot y. No. So where is empty space? Because it's selected empty space. So empty spaces, empty spaces. Selected empty space is an empty space. So dot x, dot x, dot y, no. Dot z, dot z. Selected empty space is a vector 3 to match with the empty space there. So dot y, wherever dot y shows up, should be a dot z. Okay, let's make sure we're going through every single one of these. Empty space, empty space, empty space, empty space. Empty space, empty space, empty space, empty space, empty space. Empty space, remove a vector 3. I0, j. Okay, empty space, empty spaces, empty space dot x, 0, empty space dot z. What's weird to me is the distance thing. The fact that it says it's not like it's trying to reach a point that it can't reach. It just says that its remaining distance is 0. That's a number, and you're actually walking until you reach your destination, and then you're gonna stop. Four, 3, 2, 18. 7, 3, 2, 0. Okay, you actually seem to be going between your 3 different spots here. Why was it saying that the remaining distance was 0, though? Okay, that seems to have fixed it by putting in better data. Better data in, better data out. Okay, and now we're just gonna get really cocky with it. And say, okay, that was the fix. It was just that I had bad data in, and it was giving me bad debug logs. Okay. So now we can re-enable the crate. I think it will still have a problem if it can't reach the point, which is a empty space problem. Okay, but now let's see the remaining distance. That's the real question, is when you get stuck like that, is it the remaining distance 0 problem? Or there's only one of you? So now turn on all of the debug logs again. So is it just running in place because it can't reach the target, or is it running in place? Because that's always going to be an issue unless I can make sure that every single empty space can always be connected. Well, and I can if I start stacking up the boxes a little more grid-like and make sure all the spaces have... Okay, remaining distance infinity instead of remaining distance 0. Why did you all decide that you were going to go for this position specifically? So... Oh. Oh, but the box is still there. Okay. So we get rid of the crate. Well, and like I said, I think what I'd rather do is, when I'm making the crates, to just carve out space in between them. So there's just always a path. Okay, so now it's if I mod like 3 equals does not equal 0. And j mod 3 does not equal 0. So hopefully that's going to, oops, K. So hopefully that's going to say that every third crate, so 0 mod 3, I don't think that would work. Which means it is 0. But then 1 mod 3, 2 mod 3, and then 3 mod 3 would equal 0, right? Or 1. No, remainder. 3 mod 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, meaning the remainder is 0. So then if it is equal to 0, then it does not do the crate. So hopefully this will carve out some space in between the crates so that all the paths are free. You fuckers! Okay, did I do it correctly though? Yes. That's very clearly. Okay, let's get rid of the crates again and make sure that they patrol. Perfectly fine. The remaining distance values seem to be correct, meaning I think I need to actually fix how I'm spawning the crates, because I think it's spawning crates on top of empty spaces, which is why sometimes I land on a crate. Okay, everybody's moving. Where's the you? Let's keep everybody on screen. Everybody's moving. They're all going places. Everybody's going out for coffee at the same time. You stopped. Okay, so now let's do there. So remaining distance is less than or equal to 0.1 f then. No. 0.1 f. We're gonna get rid of this reach destination stuff. One of you little fuckers was patrolling just fine. Everybody's moving and jiving and going places. Okay, you're turning around and going somewhere else. One of you fuckers is just hanging out. Why are you picking the same position to go to? We're gonna get really lenient with the... If you're in the vague vicinity of your destination, you're good. You can head out. Might even just turn it to 1. So now let's make sure 5 guards can continue to patrol without any errors. You test my patience. Like it's a completely empty place. Nobody gets stuck anywhere, you little fuckers. I ain't having none of your shit anymore. Big sacks of shite. Okay, everybody's still going around. And bumping into each other. That's fine as long as you don't get stuck, you little fucks. Where's the philosopher stuff? Also, there's an entire level here. Why in the heck did you decide that it's only this little corner that you're gonna derp around in? Okay, nobody's getting stuck anywhere. That's the good thing. Okay, so now when this does, it's selection here. Selected empty space. The empty, so the empty space is what? Oh. Oh, wait. No, 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 no. That should be... Yeah, this is getting... The player position is getting placed correctly. The guards are getting placed correctly. And then the... Here, this is not. So the selected empty space is a vector 3, and then it's just using that. So you need to be translated into the correct position. Oh, that is selected empty space, isn't it? So that's literally the right... That's literally the right thing, then. Ain't it, ain't it? Okay. There we go. So that should be passing in a better position. So now they should be wandering around the entire area, not just a little corner. You fucker! There's nothing here! Why are you having an issue? Yeah, okay, and then you just are frozen up, so you don't actually... What do you mean the target is negative? What? Okay, did I jump the gun? Okay, no, no, okay, that's what I did. You are supposed to be going into... here. That's where it's supposed to be. And then this is still supposed to be selected empty space. Okay, now have the targets be flippin' reasonable. I hate. Pretty sure I saw somebody turn around. There we go, and you're exploring the entire flippin' warehouse now. Instead of just some little corner. Yeah, okay, you're going off into the unknown. Oh no, shit. Okay. So now, if I do the boxes again... I still don't think the boxes are getting placed correctly, meaning... Well, as long as it's... Yeah, I did 0.5. I think as long as it's bigger than... Yeah, 0.5 should be good enough that if it just gets to the edge of the box that has the flippin' collision... Yeah, then you'll turn around and head to somewhere else. You fuckers! Fucking go! Even you? You went and found a good spot and then said, nah, fuck it. This looks like it carved a nice path between the boxes here. Okay, now generate stacked crates, I think is fucked. Okay, at one point I had... base crates, which was this. Yeah, it's because when I did instantiate the crate, based on that, I'm pretty sure it was a different position than this stuff here. Which does not make sense to me. Because that's the crate size building with the offset. And then the crate size building with the offset. And then that height is just an added height. Okay, you're supposed to be X now anyway. What do you mean it can't do a .z? Base crate .z. Vector 2? Base crate is a vector 3. Seeing I made them vector 3s instead of vector 2s like they're supposed to be, and that fixed an issue. Let's see if that fixes an issue here. Because it's basically, if I hit refresh a bunch of times, I should not land on a crate at the start. Okay. Fuckers are going places. Oh no, you're going backward. But you're still going somewhere. Why did you just stop and back up? Why do you guys hate these crates so much? Fucking position. Okay. Again, we're gonna get rid of the crates. Let's see. I wanted to just play some Bolitro and call it quits. I'm fucking done being pissed off at this thing. The fucking crates here. Okay, you fuckers are running around. What happens when you reach a destination? You fucking turn around and you head somewhere else. It's right there, apparently. Oh, that's true. I guess they're not gonna start on a patrol position. Okay, but he's still going. They all decided to patrol in the same area except for this one. That's fine. The points are pretty random. And I could spread out the points in the future too. You did. You stopped. Why? There's nothing here. You have every opportunity. What, you. Right? Who was I looking at? Who was I looking at? I hit somebody with a ghost potion, apparently. Who was I looking at? The hell? I thought I was looking at you. You sure seem to be stuck there. Okay, this one here seems to be stuck in a empty room. The problem is that whatever this issue is gets amplified. They're moving pretty slow, and they have a pretty wide buffer for how close they are. And then you unfucked yourself, I guess. Okay, 0.08 is their position. So let's do that in the targeting. 0.08F. Let's see if that helps free up a little bandwidth. And we're also going to do straight up 1. Just 1. Each of the boxes are 2 point something, right? I thought they were like 1.2 or something. No, 1.6. Each of the boxes are 1.6. So let's do 1.6F. That is the size of a box, is how close you need to be to the position. So it's very lenient. If you get somewhere, just anywhere close to the vicinity of the thing, you're good. And seeing how the Y position lines up now, everybody's pitter-pattering along just fine. Like, where are you going, bud? Let's just watch them for a while and make sure that they don't get stuck. And it needs to be at a slow speed too, because if I bump up their speed, then that's not going to be a test for the actual flippin' game. Okay, they're exploring. And they're all actually flipping. Continuing to move. Nobody seems to be getting stuck. They're not so gracefully moving past each other, but they are moving past each other. Wait, where's the light? Why is the ground so glitchy? Okay, nobody appears to be getting stuck anymore. So now let's try it with actual crates that they have to get past. Especially because if they get anywhere near... I mean, no. Because of the way I carved around the path, they should be able to get to the other side of the box to be able to get at least within a box distance of... Okay, you're moving. And then you guys immediately get stuck. Immediately. I put a single obstacle on the ground that you can walk around freely, and you immediately stop. Everything. None of these boxes. I carved out a whole bunch of paths between the boxes. Every box you can get within the edge of the box. Why did you immediately stop? You're not even near a box. It's not like you're stuck in a box or something. And you have a nav mesh. That's how you were moving earlier. And this has a nav mesh obstacle. Yeah, that's when it's stationary and not moving. Carve. So it's carving out a space around the things, which it was working. They were wandering around at least a little bit. And when it's the flippin' player, they got no problem. But if it's this go to a position... I carved out a lot of spaces for you guys to be able to pathfind, and then you just say, nah, bruv. Door stuck. Door stuck. What do you mean? Okay, let's set it to chasing then. I carved out a path between all of the crates. I guess I could look at the nav mesh too and see what it looks like. But it was looking just fine earlier, and it can chase, they can chase the player just fine. That's the thing, it's like the... Yeah, no problems. He's gonna jump on each other to get at me? Yeah, no problems. I mean, you're a little derpy, but you're not stuck. That's the important thing. You look stuck. Why are you stuck? Now you're not stuck. I don't want you to look at me when you're running. That would make a little more sense, but okay, you can... These do still get stuck chasing after the player, too. Headgummit. I'm just miffed that the patrol immediately gets stuck. They don't even, like, try. They're just like, nope, stuck. But I'm clearly above all of them. I'm at a position that they cannot reach, and yet they're trying to reach me. Meaning I feel like they should do the same thing with the dumb dad-blasted mother flippin' if their empty position is in a crate, which it shouldn't be. It's weird and clunky, but it works. It's like they do come after you. Wish the lighting were better too. It just seems to be kind of wonky. But then when I say patrol, they just immediately get stuck. They just immediately stop and say, nah, no can do. Okay, don't set that. I can set it. It's a public variable. It's a serializable field. I can set it myself, so set it back to patrolling. Figure out this flipping path finding, then I can figure out the flippin' AI states for the guard. Then it can actually chase you if it sees you, kind of thing. Okay. What do y'all mean you're working just fine now? Okay. One of y'all fuckers is still fucked, but... Are your 2 patrol spots literally just right there? That's hilarious. You don't seem to be getting stuck, though. I put a single obstacle on the path. And then it's like, no, can't, no can do. Okay, we're gonna just do straight up. The box is how big? 2.4. Okay, I'm thinking 32. No, it's 24. Okay, so we're gonna say 2.4F. So hopefully that'll be wide enough to say even if the goal is within a crate to be able to get to which it shouldn't be in a crate. Also, I think I need to up the frequency of the boxes now that I'm getting rid of a chunk of them. And then it's mother flipping deja vu on deja vu on deja vu, which is weird because I'm like, I haven't made this game before. Why in the heck? But I feel like I've done this already. This. I could probably just do a crate frequency. Light frequency, crate frequency. Yeah, I kind of liked a little more of the maze environment, but this will guarantee that the warehouse is navigable, which it is a warehouse. It's supposed to be navigable. Well, why did this? Okay, there. You better not be stuck, you little fuckers. Look at this. Look at the flippin' pathways here. Look at the pathfinding here. Are you kidding me? You have so much space to roam. Look at that. Look at that. This. Stupid fuckers. How the fuck are you stuck? You have so much space to roam. Remaining distance 0. Position and target. Why don't you move towards it then? It's not remaining distance 0, it's remaining distance infinite because it can't reach the point. But it should still just try to reach the point. And then, in the pursuit of getting close enough, it should hit the trigger to... Also... Okay, what if I get rid of the flippin' stacked crates and instead do this? If I say instantiate a crate at that position instead of the empty positions, and then get rid of this, which is apparently placing things incorrectly if this works. I also doubt this will flippin' work. Because they just don't... It should be a valid position to go to. It doesn't matter! The player is not a valid position to go to. And it doesn't have that much of a problem getting to or getting towards the player. Okay, at least somebody's walking. Are you kidding me? Okay. Remaining distance is 0. Meaning you just can't get to that position. It's supposed to be remaining distance is infinite, not 0. What do you mean you can't get to that position? All of this... You... what? And then I look at the pathfinding. You have plenty of space in between each of these. And then your target position should be one of these positions. But then you're saying remaining distance is that. Okay, so position. No, that... Can I see what's at that position is what I want to see. Yeah, okay, so that is just saying it can't reach it. How in the heck did you pick that position, though? Okay, the generate stacked crates I'm not messing with right now. Okay, so how about we go the other way and do the... Let's see if it generates a single crate. Hopefully it doesn't even generate a crate. And now all the little fuckers are running around just fine. There are no crates. Seemed like a pretty low chance. What do you... That's what's confusing, though. Because it can't reach me, and yet it tries to. How in the world... I give up. 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 Doing this another day. Okay, go back to this. Go back to this. I'm gonna not mess with the guard AI anymore. It's gonna be potions next time. Fuck the stupid guards and their goddamn shit. Okay, the crate frequency is gonna be back to probably like a half. So instead of 3, like 2. No, it gets pretty sparse. So, like 1. Yeah. Like a 50-50. I'm gonna play some Bolitro and try to chill a little bit. Oh, even the tutorial was kind of fucked too. Kind of scuffed and broken. Where are the little fuckers? Should be 5 little fuckers running around, right? And by that, I mean they're just gonna stand there stupidly, fucking staring at a goddamn box, despite the fact that every single pathway is available. Stupid fucks, god damn it. Okay, because I do have some lighting changes and stuff that I made, so that'll fucking work. So now, switch it to... Next time, I'm gonna work on the fucking potions, because fuck this stupid shit. Nah, and I still need some kind of fucking tutorial control thing. Yeah, why? Why are you guys able to chase me, you stupid little shits? I am not a reachable target. How and why in the world are you able to chase me? Despite me not being a reachable target. And yet if a crate is not reachable... Yeah, see? There. Now you're just kind of standing there. Derping out real hard. Also, maybe we don't make the ground a plane. And make it a cube. Let's see if that... That ain't even near the same. Okay, wait, it was... Aha, okay, it's a half. And if we get rid of the plane, we slap the other texture on here. Does that help fix the lighting? Yeah, okay, using a cube instead of a plane. No, it's still fucked. It's still fucky. Wait, what? Oh, I got rid of the plane that had the nav mesh. Actually, wait, can I do this and then this? There. Oh, because then it has the... I just wanted to goof off with the game a little bit. Not my own stupid game. It doesn't function properly. That also looks bad, and... You guys are messing up the boxes and everything, even. Why is it seemingly spawning outside of the thing? Yeah, the coins need to be a lot brighter. Yeah, it definitely has some floors, lava vibes. But I think that'll go away once the guards are actually a threat instead of just a constant force. No Philosopher's Stone anywhere? It's got a nice bright red glow now. Oh, that's a really tall stack of pancakes. Hmm. Okay, wait. I wanted... The tutorial is also having issues. Okay, whatever. Yeah, we're focusing purely on the potions tomorrow. Fuck the guards and their stupid shit. And we're gonna play some Gore Ballotro. I wanna play this damn game just to take a break and chill a little bit. .63% of players have played 2,000 cards. It's pretty good that over half of the players. Oh, fuck. And then I want to do a web build to update the web build. Okay, and I can cut out the main menu now at this point. I don't need it anymore. Yeah, okay, that's really neutered. I need to double that number. Because you can really only hop up a single box at this rate. Oh, I forgot I was recording the thing. Whatever. I'm gonna just flip and do that tomorrow morning. Playing some Ballotro. Hopefully getting a little less pissed off at the dumb little fuckers. Yeah, it's like, cause I can jump 2 boxes in the dev build. And I can only jump a single box here, so. Okay, fuck it. We're doing that another day. Okay, sorry. Noah is God or something, right? Oh, Noah praise God. Okay. No, sorry. Playing some of this dumb dad blasted game. This yellow deck is not that bad. I just seem to be having so many issues with it. Or rather, I just seem to have a hard time winning it, despite the fact that it does not seem to be hard. Polychrome is great. It's a free rare Joker. I'm like, no, you can't skip twice. The pair is not enough. Yeah, I'm not in yap mode. No, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to cool down by doing something else here. So. A full house. I am not original. I will never be original. One in 4 chance to upgrade the level of played poker hand. Sure. I don't need diamonds. I never buy this. Let's buy it. 1 of 2, 1 of 2. I like this one better. Clubs. Debt. No, I don't need debt. Clubs. And this was diamonds. Okay, that's fun, but that's not. That can just hang out there for a while. All clubs. All clubs. You had to screw me over. It's nothing. It's almost a flush. That is not a flush. You gave me the same 2 cards back? I know you didn't. That's sure what it felt like. Almost a straight flush. Oh, I think that Polychrome Joker's gonna do all the work. Yes. Yeah, okay. Vouchers is what I should be buying right now. Oh no! Wait, wait, wait. I want this. I've never seen this. Okay. That gets me there. Oh shoot, that sucks. But I have not discovered this. There we go. The final pack. Negative to random joker. Polychrome. Oh, and destroy all other jokers. Okay. Create a copy of a random joker. Destroy all other jokers. Yeah, because I haven't discovered it. We're just doing another run where I'm just discovering stuff. Oh, it gives me 2 of these. -1 hand size. I don't like that, but... This is destroy a joker. I should have played this first and then the other one. I just didn't realize that... Yeah, and it's just gonna give me random enhanced cards. Juggle tag? Nope. I've gotten the juggle tag. A voucher tag? Ah, voucher tag. Okay. So give me this and then skip the next one to add the voucher tag. Well, we'll go for the flush first. And then we can go for the clubs. That keeps the steel card in hand. Okay, I'm finally bumping up the volume. It's just a tad too quiet. Hearts and die. No, these are both clubs. We're sticking with this club thing that I got going. Oh, I had the... Nah, whatever. Okay, skip to get this voucher tag. Yeah, we're gonna go for the clubs. Yeah, we're gonna go for the clubs. I guess I'll do the full house. It's got some clubs in it. A 9, please. That's 3 of a kind. That's almost a flush. Neither of those do me any good. 2 hands. Oh, literally just that? Neither of those do me enough. I can't discard to get 1 club. I can't discard to get a 9. So it's gotta be the pair. Because high card is just 1. It's nothing. The pair's not gonna be enough. High card or the king is... Yeah, no, that's... Those are each 10 chips. That's 10 chips. That's times 2 at least. Did I get the voucher? Did I discover the voucher? There, okay, I got the tag at least. Okay, that's what it was. I got the voucher tag. So I don't need to worry about tags. And I got this final booster pack. So as bad as that run was, it was good on filling out some stuff. Okay, I still need to pick up Spectral whenever I can. Oh, blinds. Yeah, these are just more wins, basically. Oh, this is don't skip blinds. And now that I have all the tags... Okay, so as long as I just play every blind, that should get me these two at least. And then we'll see about those. So I'm just going to play every blind for a little while. And then pick up whatever Spectral that I can. Okay, nope. Playing every blind, never skipping a blind. And buying every Spectral that I can. Oh, I do need to buy vouchers, because I don't have hardly any vouchers, right? Yeah, vouchers I don't have any of. I'll re-roll the shop. Spend a total at the shop. Spend $8 at the shop? Oh. Okay, but these seem to be related. Like this and this. Yeah, okay. We're going to focus vouchers. Oh, buy tarot cards, buy planet cards. Redeem blank. Reduce the hand size. Oh, I was like, I need the magic trick. Okay, so that's why I'm focusing. Okay, we're going to buy vouchers. We're going to buy spectral cards. We're going to ignore everything else. And we're not going to do any blinds. Okay, I don't need to skip. So, I'm not going to skip. Oh, can I discard this to something better? This is 4. And this is nothing. Okay, well then let's... I have 2 discards, so let's discard it to a flush. It's 2 pair. I think a straight is better. Okay, that's 20 times 2, or this is 30 times 4. No, just give me that. Hopefully that's enough. Oh, plenty enough. I could have just stuck with the straight. Oh, I have to defeat the boss blind to get the voucher. And you are not... anything. Yeah, I want more money. Oh. It did not have the desired effect. I guess it continued to keep the, Okay. It's a neutered full house, but it is a full house. Okay, vouchers. Sure, kill my money on this stuff. No, we're always doing the blind. For some reason. I don't think I need that. I don't think I need that. I'm just gonna save my money. Straights are good, pretty good, just straight up. Oh, my most played is 2 pair and that's it? That kind of sucks. This gotta be so hard to get a straight flush. None of these are great, that's why I don't grab them. Sure, we're gonna kill my money, I don't care. No, steal. In hand. Flush is at ×6. I guess it's the level 2 on that. That made it better. Yeah, okay, I leveled up 2 pair a few times. Tends to be a pretty common hand for me, is to do 2 pair. I mean, this is good enough, but I have one last discard. Can I? Oh, how much is 3 pair? Or 3 of a kind? 50 times 5 versus 50 times 6. Well, at least with my current setup. Oh, I have a full house. Nope, no 7. Planet cards in your consumable area give 1.5 mult for their specified poker hand. I don't have enough money. No. I haven't discovered that one. No. But no. Yeah, it's a bummer. Like a heart card. Oh, that is a heart card. Yeah, and a flush isn't even that good. Well, this is so close to being something. That sucks. There we go. This is nothing. I guess 2 pair. This is even more nothing. Even worse, even more nothing. Great. Even worse, nothing. That's a pair. And that's it. Literally just a pair. The glass cards go off? Both of them went off. I'm surprised that actually worked. I was not expecting that to... I was not expecting to survive that. Yeah, this run is dead, but I'm doing a very hard run here, trying to do no jokers. I like the money, though. It's 5 random cards, but it's kind of good to destroy them, too. Depending on what they are. enhanced cards. Oh, thought I got 2 of them. Yeah, it's one of those I could re-roll. Oh, planet cards. Forgot about my vouchers. Can I re-roll to get a planet? Wait, I'm supposed to have it in my hand. Ah, dadgummit. Okay, there we go. I made sure that I'm gonna lose this next one. Yeah, this one is not happening. Oh, I can discard stuff too. I forgot I can discard to draw to where I can see cards again. It's not gonna be enough, but I tried. Yeah. Did I get anything? I did. +1 card slot. Oh, a second +1 card slot, right? Yeah, but I discovered this voucher. Like I said, so I need to just keep getting vouchers because these are very much paired. Okay, that's reroll the shop a bunch. A lot of these are just, yeah. Tarot, planet. Redeem blank. Yeah, and that's, I have to get this first. It's +1 hand size? But that's reduce hand size. Weird. Oh, and it was trying to get this. Whatever these are. One more. Oh, it's a polychrome. It's like, why is it gotta be 2 good ones right off the bat? Okay, these are boss blinds. Yep, always with the 2 pair. I love my 2 pair. Gotta whip out the 2 pair. I don't know what I want to discard too. I guess a full house. 8, 7, 6, 5. Suppose. I haven't discovered it. +2 mult for every money you have. Nope, not blinds. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm like... Vouchers is the other thing I'm aiming for. Really? No hearts? I was hoping for a flush. 2 pairs, not good. Flush isn't super great either, but... It's about the same as a straight, right? Okay. It's because I want to get the vouchers, so I can get the... Start getting those voucher... That's money, though. I want money for this. I mean, I could go for full house. That's nothing. There's a full house. Yeah, I don't have much for discards. Exactly the number I needed to hit. Oh, I'm trying to save money. But I'm buying the vouchers. All cards are drawn face down, and then it pulled these face up. I don't entirely understand. All face cards, face cards. I missed a word. Still gonna buy the vouchers, but I'm gonna skip everything else because I want to juice that money. That's nothing. Per unused to discard, I have discarded so much apparently. Every time a planet card is used. I haven't discovered it. Again, this is one of those. Well, okay. I played 2 pairs so much. It's a free 3 of a kind. And then I could just do a straight. Nah, we'll do the points one. That's a bad idea. I need the 4 though. 8, 7, 6, 5. 4. I want that straight flush. Or not. Just a flush. Man, I don't think I've played any straight flushes at all ever. Okay, now I'm still buying every voucher. But now I'm also buying every planet card and nothing else. It's free though. It's free real estate. Full house? Full house? Full house? Really? 3 free full houses? Jeez. I don't need that much. I am throwing away a straight though. When each 2 is scored. Oh, it gains plus 8 chips. When each played 2 is scored. Planets? That's 2 pairs. I think my favorite. Oh, but I love playing 2 pair. Well, then have a straight instead. Ooh, and that plays it too. Yeah, and I was like, can I play another 2? Yeah, let's go for a straight. Keep the 2. Just in case I can use it for something else. Hey, I did get the jack. No full house? You just gave me nothing to go with this? 3 of a kind, but nothing to go with it. Wow, 4 of a kind. Well, shoot, dang, dude. Sure, why not? And then not a full house to go with it. Or a flush. Or a straight flush, or anything. Just close to all of that. Get rid of you. You don't seem to be matching with anything. Yeah, I don't need that Wii Joker, but it's free. Planet cards? No, these are just playing cards. I need planet cards. Yeah, but it's also free. Foil is just silly. I mean, you do need some amount of chips to mold off of, but just never feels as good as the mold. I mean, I did level up 2 pair a bunch, so not a bunch, a little bit. That's almost a flush. That's a flush. What is it with these random full houses? It keeps giving me full house. I'm leveled it up because I don't expect it. Oh, and then I'm supposed to be scoring the 2s. It's not happening. Yeah, Wii Joker is not doing a lot for me. Times for mold of hand contains 4 of a kind. That's not gonna happen much, but it's got this mold on it, so. Okay, yeah, level up the full house. I keep getting it. Oh, I was gonna say the 4s aren't gonna last. And they did. That's the thing that lasted. I'm glad I leveled up the full house. It keeps giving them to me. I'm glad I leveled up the full house. It keeps giving them to me. I'm glad I leveled up the full house. It keeps giving them to me. Jeez. It's the second time I've gotten 3 full houses in a row. It's not that common. And I have not done a lot to... Oh, you're that last one in here, right? Yeah, okay. I finally got the last of the basic jokers. The wheel? I'm assuming I've seen it. Yeah. So I'm gonna re-roll it just because. I'm pretty sure I've seen the club too. Yeah. There's no 6. Now there's a 6. Thanks. Oh, I did level up the flush once. Oh, you're supposed to be a flush, right? I forgot about you. Wait, what are all these? This was just save money. This was play planet cards. This was play twos. That's just not gonna happen. It's 4 of a kind. That's not gonna happen, but it's got that malt on it. And then flushes. Straight flush. It is a straight flush. I did it. I think this is my first straight flush. No more full house. But this works. I thought the planets were a lot more common, but apparently not. Jeez, if you're just gonna give me another full house again, even if it's pretty debuffed. Okay, I gotta remember flushes are also a thing to look out for. Oh, what's the best poker hand? Oh, it is a straight flush. Okay. That's why I haven't played a lot of straight flushes. Oh, that's the last of the discards. Oh, it doesn't matter. I could either do the... Well, it's because of you. If I'm trying to play the twos. Yeah, we'll try to save that. 987, nothing. 432, nothing. Or the threes. Wow, this is so much nothing. I was hoping for a full house. There's 10, 9, 8, 7, nothing. Is that enough? To keep squeezing over the edge. Planet card. Planet card. It gives me another pair. Ugh, okay. I guess we'll do a 2-pair then. You're gonna insist that I have to play 2-pair. Oh, shoot. I could have played a flush there. That would have been better because of that. Yeah, flush would have been a just slightly better idea. Well, I don't know. The 2 pair is juiced. So... yeah, I guess if the 2 pair is juiced, play it. Sure. Always draw 3 cards. Interesting. I guess good thing I have a lot of cards. Oh, wait, so can I also do this? If I just play it too. Buffs that a little bit. And then I get more cards. Okay. 9876 something. How do I have this many cards and none of them are flush? I guess just the 2 pair. Yes, I don't want to play a ton because I want to kind of add more and more to my hand. Except when I get a full house. I don't know, 2 pair might almost be better. Well, that's 2 2s though. There's the 3 of a kind there. It's just because I'm not gonna ever juice those 2s. It's just not gonna happen. Okay, so a flush is 50 times 6 plus 80. And a full house is 65 times 6. Oh, 50 times 6 plus 80. Full house is 65 times 6 plus nothing. So the flush. Ooh, I haven't discovered this one. Yeah, I was like, I can't get rid of these because I've been juicing both of them. And I guess sort of trying to juice that one. That one can kind of go. I mean, this is the obvious one. Because it's a common and... Ah, give me a new voucher. And I need more planets. Just keep juicing this one. There's got to be an achievement or a something for juicing one of those. Oh, I haven't done any rerolls. It's because it's expensive. Okay, king, queen, jack. 10, 9, 8. Whatever. Oh, what did you do even? Oh, just create a tarot when the blind selected. 9876. And then maybe go for the... Yeah, there we go. That is the 3 of a kind. Doesn't match up with anything, though. Yeah, that 2 pair's pretty juiced. We'll wait to use that to turn it into a flush. Yeah, like here. I could turn this into a flush. Or I could just have a flush. A straight flush! My second straight flush, hell yeah. And they're both in the same run. It's like, how does that happen? I was gonna buy all the spectral cards, though. Because these are the ones that are hard to, For the final round, though. For the final played poker hand, if held in hand. I wasn't playing the 2s, but I should play the 2s. Oh, I am, okay, I am up to these. Okay, 10, 9, 10, 9? Oh, it's a wild. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, but I have to play the king. Then make, wait. It says 2 selected cards to lucky. Since you're forcing me to play that one. There. I have to play that? It doesn't... It's not great. Because I got a 2 pair sitting here that I wouldn't mind playing. Oh, I have to... I could discard it too. Okay. Well, let's do this 2 pair. I gotta do something with that king. Do I get rid of the 2 pair? Nah. I've juiced the 2 pair so much. Aha. Okay, wait. If I do 160 times 9 or 65 times 6. Huh. So I did use the 2-pair to ridiculous degrees. A full house is less than a 2-pair in this case. Oh, I did it. Hell yeah, I didn't realize I was that close. Okay, not endless mode. Back to main menu. Spectral cards may appear in the shop. Start with the hex card. Yeah, okay, there's still some... Is this alphabetical? No. Yeah, okay, then there's a ton of these. Yeah, okay, let's switch out a ton of cards. Have a ton of glass. I played a pair, though? Guess it must have forced me to play a pair, maybe? Oh, I did find one of these, at least. Oh, I made good use of that one, too. So, one more of those, at least. Really? I've won 3 times, and I've seen 2? Yeah, so we'll just keep focusing buying the vouchers. Okay, so that's 2 more seemingly regular decks. And some of the more wild stuff. Oh, and then this is win at higher difficulties. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the different deck types, though. So, I need a green deck and a black deck win. And then I can start bumping up the difficulties here to get the rest of those. Yeah, so these are just I have to win some more. I don't know about that one. And I don't know about these 3 planet cards either. It feels like a voucher that'll let you play 6 cards. But I have not come across that. Yeah, and then these are just... Hopefully, inevitably, I will come across the rest of these. Well, I'm gonna need to start focusing on... Oh, discard 5 jacks at the same time. That one's not too bad, because you can get up to 5 jacks and then just sack them all. But okay, it is well past bedtime, so... let's switch it back to... Let's put myself back in the right spot for next time. Oh, I had it pretty quiet, too. Whatever. Goodbye, good night. Thanks for stopping by. Have fun sleeping. Good luck. Bye.